Hey everyone, buckle up. Samsung has just pulled off the ultimate cell phone by leaking the entire Galaxy S26 lineup themselves, over a month before the anticipated Unpacked event in early 2026. We're looking at official 2D renders buried deep in a test build of One UI 8.5, running on Android 16, plus hints at long overdue charging upgrades that fans have been demanding for years. This is hands down the biggest premature flagship leak we've seen. Let's dive into the redesigned looks, faster charging specs, and a surprising twist on current sales trends. The leak exploded when Android Authority analyzed an early One UI 8.5 firmware build and uncovered simple 2D illustrations labeled with codenames M1, M2, and M3, corresponding to the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. Since these are pulled straight from Samsung's own code, they're as authentic as it gets right. The standout redesign? Samsung is ditching the separate floating camera rings, a signature look since the S22 series, in favor of a sleek pill-shaped camera island featuring circular cutouts, clearly inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold series. The standard S26 and Plus models feature 3 vertically stacked lenses inside this island, while the Ultra gets an extra pair of sensors offset to the side for its advanced periscope zoom tech. The Ultra also shifts to softer, more rounded corners, moving away from the sharp, boxy edges for improved ergonomics and a more cohesive family aesthetic. Across the board, expect slimmer profiles, reduced weight, and modestly larger batteries, evolutionary tweaks that keep things premium without chasing extreme specs like some competitors. But the real game changer is charging. The same firmware references super fast charging 3.0 and upgraded wireless options, pointing to up to 60W wired, likely Ultra only, and faster wireless speeds reaching 25W with Qi 2 magnetic alignment for seamless snap-on charging. After sticking with 45W wired and 15W wireless for years, this upgrade makes wireless charging finally usable in real life and paves the way for a wave of new magnetic accessories. No word yet on the S Pen's Bluetooth features returning to the Ultra. It seems that'll stay cut for now. On a quick sales note, Counterpoint Research's Q3 2025 data paints an interesting picture. Apple swept the top 4 spots with iPhone 16 models dominating premium sales, while Samsung's 5 entries in the global top 10 were all from the budget-friendly Galaxy A series, with the A16 5G leading as the best-selling Android phone. No S25 flagships cracked the list, proving mid-range devices still drive massive volume in the market. Are you excited about the unified, fold-inspired design, the overdue charging boosts, or Samsung's mid-range sales dominance? Which Galaxy S26 variant are you eyeing, the Standard, Plus, or Ultra? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like if you're hyped, and subscribe for more leaks as they drop. The S26 era is coming fast, peace out.